So hello guys, how are you doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best platform for affiliate marketing, or you can say the best affiliate marketing platform. Okay, so you may have been watching or going through another platform, maybe other so many platform out there. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the platform that I'm currently using, and I think, in my opinion, this is the best. Okay, and there is a reason for it. So the platform is System.io, and the reason I'm saying best affiliate marketing platform because of main two reason. Okay, so first of all, one of the reason I'm just going to show you now, because I'm not going to take so much time, and also I don't like to make so much, long video, right? So let this page to load, and now you will see why I'm saying this is the best affiliate marketing platform. Okay, so the first reason here I'm going to show you is this. Okay, as you can see, this is all-in-one marketing platform, so you can see that we can make so many things here, but I'm particularly going to talk about affiliate program management. Okay, so with this platform, where you pay nothing, by the way. You are, let's say you are using a free plan of System.io, and then what you can do is you can make your affiliate program and then management. Okay, you can just manage it. So let's say you want to manage your affiliate program on any other platform, then you have to pay extra cost for that, right? But here on this platform, you don't have to pay any extra cost. You can just do the things without even paying for the paid version. Okay, so in a free version, you can just promote your affiliate program, you can manage your affiliate program. This is number one. Okay, and I don't think any other plugin, any other platform out there who allows you to manage your affiliate program without paying a dime. Okay, so here you can do that. This is number one. And number two, of course, the affiliate of course the affiliate program of this platform. Okay, so let me just show you where is the affiliate, become an affiliate. So this platform pays you up to 60%. Okay, I've seen platform they pay you up to 40%, 50%, but here this platform pays you up to 60%. And one of the thing I really like about this platform is strong affiliate tracking. Okay, yes, I have seen other platform as well, but here you don't necessarily need to grab your link all the time and check if the link is correct or not, because once you create your account, then everything that you have inside the platform is linked with your link. Okay, it's already linked with your affiliate link. So, and anyone can join it, so no problem with that, and simple things. So another thing is that the platform also has its own marketplace inside the platform. So because of that, what you can do is that you can also promote the product that are already there inside the platform and then make money. So mainly there are three reasons why you should love this one and why I'm saying this is the best. Number one is that you can manage your affiliate program within the platform here. Number two, you can earn up to 60% commission through PayPal or wire transfer. This can be receive the money anywhere in the world. And number three is that the platform has its own marketplace, so it means you can choose the product, you can use the product, you can buy the product, and you can promote as an affiliate. And some of the product they also have their own lead magnet, so you don't necessarily have to create a lead magnet. You can use that one and earn a commission. So if you are in affiliate marketing, then you should definitely check this out. The link is in the description. Then you can completely free, you can try this tool. All right, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.